Hey folks, Adam Odell here today. We're going over the all-new Wildwood Lodge 42DL. Follow me, let's get started. So now that we're in the Wildwood Grand Lodge 42DL, there are a couple of specs I want to go over. First and foremost, I want to talk about the length. Overall length is going to be 41 foot 10 inches. Actual weight of this model is going to be approximately 12,885 pounds. Now, one of the biggest questions that we get is going to be, what is the difference between the Lodge and the Grand Lodge? And it's simple, all right? All it is that the additional is going to be the width and the height. It's now 8.5 feet versus 8 feet on the Lodge, okay? Now, let's get started on the review of the 42DL. As we move on to the main focus of the 42DL, it's gotta be this rear living area. As you can see, it is extremely exquisite. It is designed to give you functionality, versatility, but also luxury at its finest. You will see a beautiful sofa in the rear that's facing fireplace, the television, and that will actually fold down into a bed. Okay, you're also gonna see the beautiful fireplace with an LED light underneath it to give you that natural ambiance light when you don't want it too bright at nighttime. You're also gonna see the soundbar, Bluetooth wireless speaker there. TV is already installed. It's already hooked up, ready to go. I want you to pan over to the windows. You will see that this model has what we like to call our panoramic window package. Now, the panoramic window package is unbelievable, simply because when you compare this model to other units in the industry, you will see a complete difference between our windows and their windows. We are firm believers of bringing the outdoor in as much as you possibly can. You know, you're camping it, you're enjoying it with your friends, your family, and you need to see what's outside while you're inside. You don't want to be inside, but while you are, you can enjoy the outside, inside to the max of the ability. As we pan over to the chairs, you will see theater seating. Now these also recline, they have a cup holder, and then in the middle, you will have an area for remotes, magazines, books, or maybe something else that you want to add while you're just relaxing and hanging out with the family. As we move into the kitchen on the 42DL, one thing to notice is the interior height. Again, this is 8.5 feet, and when you see that inside, it gives that presence of just pure drama. I mean, when you look at this, it's like your house. It's extremely impactful when you walk in. It's like, where am I? Oh, I'm in a 42DL, that's where I am, right? So when you look at this, you see that it has that nice chef's kitchen. First and foremost, we're looking at the window below the microwave, which is a 48-inch window. And again, that's part of our panoramic window package that we talk so highly about, all right? You will have a actual residential microwave. You're gonna have a beautiful oven, all right? Plenty of storage and 2 different countertops because you also have this beautiful island. Now, when you look at this island's almost like something you would have in your house. You know, you've got the nice faucet, you have plenty of counter space, stainless steel sink itself, and then you look below it and you're gonna have that beautiful square surrounding full LED light all the way 360 degrees. Now, if that's not home decor at its finest, I don't know what is, and I'm being dead honest here. That is such a beautiful feature, especially when you're just hanging out and enjoying the evening as the sun sets. It's nice, it's cool, you had that ambiance of just relaxation, because that's what camping is all about. And especially with this model, the 42DL, it is designed to be parked at a lake, at your house, wherever you want it to go, but it is designed to be part of your environment. As we continue on, you'll notice the beautiful freestanding dinette. As part of this package, you would expect nothing less than to have a beautiful, custom-looking freestanding table and chairs. Again, it's next to the beautiful windows, which is part of our panoramic window package. You can look out while you're enjoying food with your friends and your family and just have that beautiful ambiance that you've had all day long. Now you can have it while you're inside enjoying your nice evening meal or early meal with your family. As we pan around, you're gonna see another part of this. You will see this beautiful glass sliding door. Now, the beauty of this is where the location of the glass sliding door is. It is almost in the middle of the camper, and here's why. This is designed to be taken to a beautiful lake, and a lot of people, what we've heard from them is that they're building decks. They're building custom-made decks for their campers. And the reason why is that sliding door is right there in the middle. Therefore, you have that beautiful deck if you decide to build that, and it leads right into the middle of your camper, right? It's very, very versatile, it's functional, and it's just something that you want to have when you have a park model, all right? As we continue on, I want to pan up to the roof when you get a second to talk about these beams we have. Now, as part of the upgraded model, this has 8.5 6-foot interior ceilings. As part of that, you will see these beautiful custom-made wood exposed with this Art Deco iron cornering style fascia that just blends together seamlessly. And really, I mean, it looks like a home decor magazine. It's just such a beautiful feature that's part of our lodge that it's just something that we can't hide. We can't look away from it, all right? So when you get the Grand Lodge, you will have this as a standard item on all the Grand Lodge features, or Grand Lodge models. As we pan around, beautiful ceiling fan. You're gonna have your ducted air conditioner. You're also gonna have beautiful frosted glass cabinetry all the way around. As we enter the bathroom on the 42DL, you're gonna notice a couple of things. Number one, this will resemble your home bathroom or the bathroom of a high-end hotel. You're gonna have all the amenities that you're gonna want and the amenities that you expect in something like this. You'll see the beautiful countertop, huge mirror, nice glass shower door, enormous shower size. All right, you're gonna have a beautiful LED light on the top. New for 2022, we actually added this open shelving under the vanity that you see. This is gonna resemble that high-end hotel look, but not only is it gonna look good, it's gonna be more functional and versatile for you and your family. This is something that we added this year. Last year, it was just a fascia. It was completely covered. So we discovered this, made it look good and functional. Bada bing, bada boom. It is a win-win for you and your family. All right, now I'm super excited because as we go up the steps, this is gonna be the single thing by far is the biggest separator between us and the competition. This is a true 2-story park model unit for you and your family. As you see, you're gonna have plenty of room now for the kids or for you, depends on what you wanna do, but there's plenty of room to sleep, there's plenty of room for games, you can have an area for a television if you want. This is kind of like the area where your kids would go to have that fortress-like, you know, when they would be home, they would have all the pillows and they would make that big fortress out of pillows. This is kind of that area where their imagination can just run free, you know, it can run wild in a Wildwood. That's the whole point. It lets their imagination run free, and it's an area where they can just be kids and not have to worry about the parents. It's their home away from home kind of thing, you know? And it's only gonna be available in this 42DL model and other select models that we build in the Lodge line. Just when you thought one side was enough, no, not even close. Not only do we have another side, but this is the biggest side in this model. So your friends can bring friends and their friends can bring friends. So if your friends got people, we got people, everybody can come up here and hang out and have fun. This is truly a remarkable unit that I'm lost for words. It is so impactful. And when your kids see it, they are gonna go nuts. It's one of those things where, I'll tell you, the first time I even saw it, I kind of did the same thing. It allowed me to be that kid again. So the 42DL is gonna have not only one side, but 2 sides, and it will be enough to support you, your friends, and your family's friends at any given time while you're camping. Folks, thanks for stopping by and going over the 42DL Wildwood Grand Lodge with us today. If you have any more questions, comments, or you want to know any more specs or anything else, go to our website, forestriverinc.com/wildwood. Thanks again, and we will see you in the next one.